Hey crafters, it's me Jenny Rose with Koala Crafts, and just in case you didn't know, in our Facebook group Koala Crafts, we do swaps. So I don't know how many swaps we do. My friend Pam runs them, and I think it's at least like 5 a month. So in the very first like 5 days of the month, you want to check it out. Make sure that you're joining the ones that you want to join, because by the 5th day, I think she has everyone partnered up and it's go time. So this time I joined the one for what's it called? My gosh, what's wrong with me? Loaded envelope, I think it was called. Loaded envelope. Oh my gosh. there's a lot of different names for it. You can search it on YouTube, online and stuff. But I did a loaded envelope for Joanne, and she did one for me. So I'm gonna show you what I got today. Oh my gosh, look how pretty! Just gonna double check that I got everything out. Look at how pretty. So she did like a full, long, handmade envelope, and then she's got a pocket envelope here that she created. And I'm gonna take all the stuff out of here. We're gonna see what's in here. This is so pretty. I love these colors. Did you know that burgundy or fuchsia is my favorite color? Oh, and I forgot to do this one for her. So here's a little Quality Craft swap thing. I very rarely do the swaps because it's my own group, but look how cute that is. There's like vellum on there. That's beautiful. And a little book. Look how cute. This is really neat. And she sewed that together. How cool is that? Sorry, that's O'Malley saying hello. Look at that. Fantastic. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is, look at that. It's a clip. I love that. These are so fun. An owl. Fun stuff. Let's see what else we got in here. I love how you did these. Look at that. This is a shaker window. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm learning more about what to put in these from getting this on my own. Oh my gosh, look at these. How pretty is that? And there's little clips that she created. Look at that. I love the little clips. Oh my gosh, I could have done so many different things. I am learning. That's gorgeous. What else is in here? Oh, a couple of napkins. Fun for napkin art. Those are cool. I will be taking a picture of all this too when I'm done, because then I can place that. So if you join the swaps, what you have to do is be on time, mail them on time. You get to pick whatever swap you want, and then make sure that you take a picture of it and you post it in the correct album. That's all that you're required to do. It's pretty simple. This is beautiful. Oh, the pinks and stuff, and the peachy, and oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Look at that. Your information's not on the back. That's stunning. That's truly stunning. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Oh my gosh, there's another clip here. Hold on. Look at this teeny tiny clip she made. And it says handmade on it. Adorable. Oh, I was going to do some of those hangy things and I ran out of time. I have no excuse. I have no excuse. I need to get more into swaps maybe. Oh, I can't get that back on there now. I will though. I'm going to put it there. Double check that I got everything out of the pockets. I love this envelope. Love it. This is beautiful. I love all the stuff you put in here. This is incredible. Thank you so much, Joanne. And so if you guys didn't know that we do swaps in Quality Crafts and you want to try some out, there's no like level required, but you honestly do want to put your best effort into it, because a lot of the swaps are like just doing a card. So you get like a tic-tac-toe where you pick 3 things and then your card has to represent that. Some of them are like, I think every month she does like a favorite where you get to make whatever's your favorite thing and send it to them. Just super fun times, a way for you to get involved and I think that some of you guys would truly enjoy it. So if you haven't already, check it out. I'll have all the links below so that you can get into the group. And until next time, I can't wait to see you guys next video.